Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're exploring a vehicle that could completely redefine what luxury travel means. The 2027 BMW Luxury Motorhome is an extraordinary concept that combines cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, world-class comfort, and breathtaking performance into a single rolling masterpiece. Inspired by the innovation and premium craftsmanship of BMW, this remarkable motorhome is being imagined as one of the most exclusive recreational vehicles ever created. With top-tier versions potentially reaching an astonishing price of $12 million. From the very first glance, the exterior design establishes that this is no ordinary motorhome. The front fascia incorporates BMW's iconic illuminated kidney grille, reinterpreted for the future with advanced lighting technology and a seamless digital appearance. Ultra-thin laser LED headlights create a striking visual signature while enhancing nighttime visibility. The overall body design is sleek, aerodynamic, and elegant. Instead of the traditional boxy RV shape, BMW designers have envisioned a flowing silhouette inspired by luxury grand tourers. Smooth body panels, hidden door handles, and active aerodynamic elements work together to improve efficiency while creating a sophisticated appearance. Large smart glass panoramic windows stretch along both sides of the motorhome, allowing passengers to enjoy breathtaking scenery while instantly adjusting opacity for privacy. The vehicle rides on massive aerodynamic alloy wheels that perfectly complement its futuristic profile. Integrated ambient lighting beneath the body creates a floating effect at night, giving the motorhome a truly futuristic presence. One of the most impressive exterior features is the expandable living system. At the touch of a button, sections of the sidewalls extend outward to significantly increase interior space. A fully retractable rooftop sky lounge transforms the roof into an exclusive entertainment area, complete with seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic views. Solar-integrated roof panels help support onboard systems during extended off-grid adventures. At the rear, the motorhome features a full-width LED lighting signature, inspired by BMW's latest luxury concepts. Active aerodynamic spoilers and intelligent airflow management systems enhance stability while maintaining the vehicle's elegant design language. Step inside the 2027 BMW Luxury Motorhome, and the experience becomes even more extraordinary. The interior has been designed to rival the world's finest luxury residences, combining premium materials with advanced technology in a calm and sophisticated environment. The main lounge area is spacious, open, and beautifully crafted. Hand-stitched leather seating, sustainable wood veneers, crystal-inspired accents, and brushed aluminum trim create an atmosphere of understated luxury. Large reclining seats with massage, heating, cooling, and memory functions provide exceptional comfort during long journeys. A massive transparent OLED display emerges from the central wall when needed and disappears completely when not in use. Paired with a premium surround sound audio system, the lounge transforms into a private cinema and entertainment center. Intelligent ambient lighting adapts automatically to passenger preferences and time of day, creating the perfect mood for every situation. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light while offering stunning views of the sky above. Smart glass technology allows occupants to adjust transparency levels instantly, enhancing both comfort and privacy. The kitchen area is equally impressive. It features premium stone countertops, a smart induction cooktop, luxury refrigerator, integrated espresso machine, convection oven, and hidden storage systems. Every surface has been carefully designed to blend elegance with functionality, making meal preparation feel effortless and enjoyable. Toward the rear, the master suite delivers a true 5-star hotel experience. A king-size floating bed occupies the center of the room, surrounded by ambient lighting and floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows. Integrated climate controls, wireless charging systems, and personalized entertainment settings ensure maximum comfort during every journey. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with a spacious rainfall shower, heated flooring, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water recycling technology. The overall experience feels more like a luxury spa than a traditional motorhome bathroom. Performance is another area where the BMW Luxury Motorhome sets new standards. The vehicle is expected to utilize a next-generation hybrid electric or fully electric powertrain, inspired by BMW's most advanced performance technologies. Multiple electric motors deliver instant torque and smooth acceleration, making the massive vehicle surprisingly responsive. Top-tier configurations are rumored to produce well over 1,200 horsepower, providing exceptional performance for a motorhome of this size. Intelligent all-wheel drive continuously manages power delivery, ensuring confidence and stability in all driving conditions. The adaptive air suspension system monitors road conditions in real time and adjusts automatically to maintain optimal comfort and handling. Whether cruising on highways or navigating winding mountain roads, passengers experience an incredibly smooth and refined ride. Safety and driver assistance technology are equally advanced. The motorhome includes semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and a sophisticated 360-degree camera network. Inside the cockpit, a panoramic digital display stretches across the dashboard, providing navigation, energy management, performance data, entertainment controls, and vehicle diagnostics through a beautifully designed interface. Voice-controlled AI systems allow passengers to manage virtually every aspect of the vehicle with simple commands. Connectivity is another major highlight. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, smart home integration, cloud-based vehicle monitoring, and remote control capabilities transform the motorhome into a fully connected luxury living space. Now let's discuss pricing. The 2027 BMW Luxury Motorhome is expected to start around $3 million for standard luxury configurations. However, fully customized flagship versions featuring bespoke interiors, rare materials, advanced technology packages, and exclusive personalization options could reach as much as $12 million, placing it among the most expensive motorhomes ever conceived. The 2027 BMW Luxury Motorhome represents a revolutionary vision of future travel. It combines futuristic design, intelligent technology, extraordinary performance, and unmatched comfort into a single vehicle that challenges every traditional idea about motorhomes. For travelers who refuse to compromise and demand the very best in luxury, innovation, and exclusivity, this remarkable concept proves that the future of motorhome living is more exciting, sophisticated, and luxurious than ever imagined. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.